The final gift is here we are, just 2 days away from the official reveal of the Galaxy S24 series, and just when we thought we know everything, Samsung is coming out with more surprise. This will make a lot of people happy, according to a massive news coming from AndroidHeadlines.com. Samsung will adopt a similar strategy to Google by giving us 7 years of major OS updates that's even more than Apple, meaning Galaxy S24 Ultra will support software updates until Android 20. That is absolutely insane news. Really do hope that turns out to be true. Another big surprise news is something that I did not expect to see, but Samsung has apparently completely revamped the animation game on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Ice Universe describes that in one word: reborn. If Ice Universe is saying this about animations, especially how much he criticized Samsung for this particular thing, you have to believe that Samsung has done something incredible now. Some sources that have got their hands on the Galaxy S24 Ultra have said that the 5x zoom is actually for real, an upgrade over the 10x zoom of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As I said before, big sensor size plus a big megapixel jump, it has definitely helped achieve Samsung the next level in their zoom quest. And let's not forget, I is doing massive magical things when it comes to the low light zoom performance. Now, one other source that got their hands on the S24 Ultra have described the in-hand feeling extremely polished and extremely premium. It's only when you hold the S24 Ultra physically in your hand in real life is when you realize the level Samsung has achieved. Now, more marketing material has leaked out, and one particular flex that Samsung is going to make is their new super ultra bright display coming at 2600 nits of brightness. It is again coming to all S24 series models. An outdoor visibility experience, especially under direct sun, is going to be so much more comfortable. And lastly, we got even more. One US 6.1 official features getting leaked. This phone, hands down, is going to be the most smartest smartphone on the market. The only thing I hope for is Samsung nailing all these features correctly, right? From the launch with no delays, whatever. Now, lastly, entire S24 series display response is getting about 12% faster compared to the S23 series. This is going to further make the phones feel incredibly fast, especially when using daily day-to-day applications as always. So it's all if you like this video, so subscribe for more latest leaks.